And this is a beauty. I'm inside the car and one second. Alright, welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. Today we have two very important things to do. First on priority is go to the PTM, parent teacher meeting. First parent teacher meeting for Naisha. It's been more than a month since her school has opened. We have to go ye putti kya kar raha, we'll get to know, discuss with the teacher what's happening, and also it's good to visit the school once. See, all these things as a parent, it's important. Though her school is a very good school, one of the top 10 schools in Hyderabad that's there, but doesn't matter. Even if you send your kid to the best school, still you have to monitor your kid closely, because it all depends on the kind of teachers they interact with. Is that is like 50%. The rest of the 50% is nurturing at home. School is important, but ghar pe bhi, especially at home, that is actually more important. The upbringing, what you teach at that tender age, they absorb everything so quickly and nicely. And no matter how big of a school it is, end of the day as a parent, we have to teach them. Udhar kya ABCD 1+1, all these things they teach, and also a lot of extracurricular activities. I'm happy with the school, at least what I've seen till now, the last 2 months. Let's see how it progresses later. The main thing, the most important thing is the kid has to love to go to school. Starting when she had this trouble of getting along with the school, but now she likes to go to school, which makes me very happy. No matter how much you pay, end of the day, if your kid is not enjoying school, that's like such a pain. Also, I'm happy to announce that the 2.0 collection is back. I particularly love this particular design and the message behind it. No risk, no storage. This is like a proper puff print. This is definitely one of my personal favorites after the Divine Right. And this time we kind of sorted the quality of the fabric. Feels good and the fit is also pretty good. Let me show it to you. Hey, Streaman Kotaru style. How can you forget? 1, 2. Fits well near the shoulder lines and looks really cool. Check the link in the description for the new collection. You can use my coupon code NEWDROP50 to get a flat 50% off across the website. Usually this is where I sleep. Before sleeping, it is good to have a book beside you so that you fall asleep. I mean, this is working out for me. I think somehow this calms your mind when you're reading, and I started this habit of reading at least one page. I'm not saying read the entire book. Start somewhere, and I started reading this particular book. One of my subscribers and my friend, who together we are again starting one more company which is into mental health. I'll be telling you more about the company later. These days you guys know how much we go through anxiety, mental stress, all this. It is not about the physical workouts these days, but the mental workout which doesn't happen. No one in your school, your college, your universities, at your home, your parents, even influencers don't talk about mental health. Go to the gym, have a great diet, make sure you're getting the number of calories, your greens, your vitamins, micronutrients. Ivanni cheptaru, no one speaks about this, what's going on here. Because if this is not good, no matter what we do, whether it's a workout, whether it's diet, keep everything on point. You might get into good shape because physical effort is going on, but if this is not good, all this is worthless. At some point in your life, most of us go across anxiety, we go across stress and all that, and we are working in this particular new startup. After I think around September, this is going to be big. Full hopes on it, because that is the need of the hour. This is a nice book addressing body, mind and spirit. Particularly I like this particular line. The Buddha in 500 BC identified a human tendency to become attached to things as the main cause of human unhappiness. This exactly connects with my favorite movie, The Fight Club, where Brad Pitt says this: things that you own end up owning you. So for example, your bike, your car, your phone, whatever you own first, you think you're paying money, I achieved it, I owned it. Later you get so attached to the product that slowly it starts owning you. To part with it becomes so difficult that it starts owning you. We are realizing it slowly as we age. I'm not saying get detached and Swamiji laga batkamantledu gani. Knowing these things, having this kind of knowledge, I think it makes your mind a better place. Chalo, let me change, go to Naisha's school. Hate going out on
like early morning school.
Yeah, I mean today is an important day. I told you, right? It's a parent teacher meeting. PTM is what they call fancy these days. Did you get scared to go to parent teacher meetings kabhi in your life?
I don't remember. I was so small, I guess.
We used to be, I should all danger harkate, so I would always be like
fine, I guess.
You were a good student or a bad student?
Good.
I was first, second, third, fourth class tak, I remember I was a very bad student. I used to hit everyone. So a lot of complaints used to come. I used to call Sriman, hit someone, please come and meet us. But slowly, I think 5th, 6th class, I became a very good boy. Are you a good girl or bad girl in your school? Good. Your teachers like you? That's what we're going to go and find by their first parent-teacher meeting in the school with Naisha. 2nd August 2025 for the record. Who made it? You made this? Nisha, that is not Naisha, it's Nisha. I've said this before, but this is not a school. This is a university. Naishu, you have such amazing infrastructure, Naishu. By the way, PTM went well. Very good. Naisha got all good marks.
Very good feedback.
Excellent feedback. Exceptional feedback.
Nice, Aishu. Good job you're doing in school, beta. Come.
Good job, Naishu.
So I understood now what to work with you.
She also got a star.
Not smiley.
Good kid.
It's not a star. It's a smiley, Papa. It's different.
Smiley,
A
okay.
smiley is different. A star is different.
So majority
I'm gonna take this in Monday to school and show my friends.
See, I know you'll do that.
But yeah, majority, I think credit you should be given for all the good feedback we got.
I work.
See,
I'm
because
a
to be
teacher
honest-
at home.
Yeah, but to be honest, Pooja teaches a lot of Krama Sikshana also, and also studies and all. You know, this is like a divide and rule policy that we follow.
Yeah.
So Pooja takes care of the kid like properly, nurturing niche se root level se, which is working because we got very good feedback. As parents, this is what you expect, right? You need good feedback from the teachers,
It's like my exam.
and she got exceptional. Very good, Naishu.
Parent teacher meeting is the best.
Good job, good job.
Good job, Naisha.
Chalo, now we're getting late. Actually, one small thing, one small feedback we have to give about the school is that it should start at 11:20. They gave a time slot for us. C1, I mean, grade 1 ka time slot was around 11:20, but we had to wait almost 1 hour. 12:20, 12:30 we were called. So that small feedback, 1 hour we had to wait, though we had our own time slot. I mean, it doesn't make sense, right? If you have a time slot and you're being delayed. So a lot of things got delayed. I had some work to do. That got delayed.
Have more meetings. No, it's not the first one.
And also,
So this is the thing that I've been saying that the school is expensive and all that. But when you get value out of the school or anything, you buy something expensive, when you get that true value out of it, you will like it. So we think as of now, in the last 2 months ho gaye iska school. 2 months mein we got good value from the school. Though it is on the higher side for sure. But we actually like the way teachers were talking to us, the way they're giving us feedback, and the way they take feedback when we give it.
That's the most important.
The most important, when you give feedback to a company, to a brand, or to a product, they should listen to the feedback and work on it. That's what we observed, right?
And they're prompt.
Yeah,
so far.
they are prompt so far.
So far.
We'll tell you definitely if there is anything else.
I hope it stays that way.
Yeah, the brand though, they're maintaining that infrastructure is good. They're taking care of the kids well. All that we are happy. As of now, I will give it 9 out of 10. Now you buy a BMW, but you get the value out of it, right? Though it's expensive, you have to treat it like that. And this is more important, obviously, because your kid is there, right? Can you help me with this? Get it. This potty wants to come everywhere. Sunday, she likes to spend a lot of time with me, which I'm okay with. Come, we have to fill this particular tire. I don't know what, but every time it loses air. You see that? It's become a little flat. It didn't lose too much of air, but it's around, I think, 28. Let's check once.
I'll put
Not there. So the moment I sit inside, it welcomes like that and says, you can continue driving inflated tires. Max speed 130 kilometers per hour. And if you go to the menu, 26 right now, that's too bad.
this one.
Yeah, that wheel I show. Which side is that?
Right.
Yeah, right side, piche wala wheel, this keeps losing a lot of air all the time. Hold here. Hold like this, normal like a phone. Make sure your finger doesn't come. Go piche a little. Okay, Naishu is capturing me. You're becoming a assistant. This is 24. If you have 34, 10 PSI less is not good. Naishu, should I show you one more thing? You see, once I switch on the car. I'm pretty sure most of you guys who drive BMWs or Mercedes, I'm not sure if this feature is there, but I mean, I know this since a long time, but I've never showcased it. It's nothing like a fancy feature, but it looks nice. So once you start the car and you put it in drive mode, but you can also push it towards the left and it becomes manual or sports mode, you can call it. Now press P in Aishu. Press it. Leave it. You will see automatically it moves to the right. Put it in drive and now, okay. Now.
I want to play with it.
Hello, it's not a toy to play with. Okay, it's increasing. You see that 31 ko chale gaya. And this is a beauty. I'm inside the car. And one sec.
Masala.
This is the beauty of a BMW or any luxury car. The insulation is next level. It's still going on outside. The sound is so high, but inside the car, once you close the door, you can't hear anything. You see this? See the insulation? Next level insulation. Pin drop silence, noise cancellation inside. That is why we pay, you know.
Basha masala.
Morning, she saw this video, some ad, Bacha Masala ka, and she's going on singing that song. You like that song?
Chicken banana.
What is chicken banana? Who eats chicken and banana, Naishu? Now will not work. Don't do that. This is not a toy, okay? Don't play with it. Don't do all that.
Once.
Naishu will become a lot of fun, you know. We talk so nicely these days. Now as she's growing older, Naishu, when she was small, obviously that time she will have a lot of fun with the kid. Very cute. But now she has conversations with you. Like she'll sit and talk, she'll tell things. It's very nice.
Masala.
It's very nice to have conversations with you. She'll sit and talk, she'll tell things, she'll tell how her day went. She'll ask a lot of questions. Very nice, Naishu. I like spending a lot of time with you. These are private places. There is a birthday girl. Birthday woman.
You're on camera.
Oh, she's looking nice. Don't worry about that. So actually, there are many birthdays this week. First, I actually started with Adit's birthday, and then it's mom's birthday. Next, it's Naishu's birthday.
So many birthdays. And then it's Rakhi.
What will Ganu get?
And also festivals start. That's what we are talking about, right?
Yeah. Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh
Bandhan,
Chaturthi.
Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali,
Yeah,
Dasara, a lot of things.
Janmashtami.
So ma'am, how? So ma'am, I'm saying. So mom, कल स्कूल जाके आए ना so. So mom, how do you feel? How do you feel about your whatever birthday?
Baby go. Happy birthday go.
I feel I'm in the heaven.
Heaven.
Yes.
With all my children. Oh my
Yes.
god. Children and children's children.
Yes, children, some my son, two sons, Shriman and Adit, and Pooja, Madhurima, Adit,
Diwali.
Sahan also I miss.
Mom is giving speech. प्रजलांदरिकी नमस्कारम.
दिल में जो होता है वो सब बाहर आ जाता है.
Okay, let's order food book log.
So in all these years, one question I'll ask you. In all these years,
So I miss my daughter,
the elder daughter. Mom, one question for you. In all these years, what did you learn? What do you regret? What do you feel good about?
I have actually, if you say, I have no regrets.
No regrets in
Yes.
life till
No,
now.
nothing. Whatever it comes, it will come. So I will be ready to face whatever
Anything.
it is. Anything. And
So no
my
waiting
God
for
is-
anything.
God is always with me and my family is always with me. That is
Nice.
my strength.
Good.
So no worry about anything. In future also, if anything will happen or come, it will come. But all are together. So it will be, we will overcome all the problems or difficulties.
Okay. So you shouldn't overthink and start worrying about things that will it come or not. Just go with the flow.
Never in my life.
You never waited for
This is a
anything.
God-giving thing I have to say, and because I never think कल क्या होगा ये वो जो होगा होगा.
So live every day to the fullest.
live
Be in the
every
present.
day, yes.
That's good advice.
Yeah. Love you all my kids.
Yay!
But how do you know कि मैं ऐसा पहनती हूँ?
Okay, we also got a gift. Pooja got a gift. She didn't tell me that she's getting a gift for her mom.
You told you will give me
I have to give her a trouser.
Show me the gift.
I have to. No, stop it. जूते कौन दिखाता है?
Arey, come on. It's a gift.
It's a beautiful white wedges.
Wedges. Okay, you have to be specific, okay? With girls. You can't say footwear. Wedges.